As we saw in the last episode that Yu Hao had participated in the student exchange program and now he will stay in Ryu Empire for a few months there. He has become a level 5 soul guide tool expert and now he is sitting in his room and making some device. But then Katuo comes to him and Katuo has also got his uniform and badge. Yu Hao welcomes Katuo. And he says that he has not seen you for a long time. Kaito tells that he was with Master Shan and by staying with him he was learning soul guide tools. There are soul guide tools like the ones here, he has never seen them before. Will have to work hard and Yu Hao also says that he will also have to work hard. Now Yu Hao asks him about his story. Why were you saying that now Kaito was born in the Ryu Empire? Now he tells her his story with a disappointed look on his face and both of them go out for a walk. Kaito is born in the royal family of the Ryu Empire and hearing this, Yu Hao is shocked and Kaito's father was the former emperor here. But one day my uncle secretly attacked the royal palace with some soldiers. And they killed all my father's soldiers. They killed each soldier so that no one could find out who had carried out this attack. My sister and my mother hid me in a cupboard but all my sisters and my mother was killed by those soldiers in front of my eyes. When you are telling all this, his eyes turn red and he gets very angry in his mind. And when Yu Hao tries to handle him, Kaito aims his weapon at Yu Hao but seeing Yu Hao, his anger calms down and he controls himself and he says that the Ryu Empire has completely changed and my uncle had become my enemy and I somehow escaped from there through the cupboard and started wandering here and there. Now there was no one in my family. And I kept walking hungry and thirsty for many days continuously so that I could save my life and far away from here I reached a forest and there I started crying loudly but then teacher Fan Yu met me there and he take care of me. I will never forget that day and will definitely take revenge from my uncle. Yu Hao says that right now we are very weak, we will be able to take revenge only by making ourselves strong. And Yu Hao says that I will help you completely in this, I will do whatever you say. Kaito thanks Yu Hao and says that it has been 10 years since these things happened and since 10 years my anger has not reduced. We will work together and one day they will definitely take revenge and after talking, both of them go back to their respective rooms and then the next day Yu Hao goes to his laboratory and there he sees a girl who was working on soul guiding weapon. The girl asks Yu Hao not to disturb her and is carefully assembling the parts of her soul guide tool. But as soon as she puts the final part in place, her device doesn't work and she starts getting frustrated. Yu Hao helps her. And then finally with the help of Yu Hao, this device of that girl is completed. She is very happy and gives high five to Yu Hao. But then she notices that this is a strange boy and she screams and falls down. Yu Hao handles her and gives his introduction saying that I am Yu Hao and then the girl's friends come and they misunderstand that Yu Hao is harassing her. This girl's name is Juzi. Juzi's friends start saying that I have heard bad things about you guys from Shrek Academy. So it is true that you people are coming here and bullying our own people. They start pushing Yu Hao that how dare you do this. Juzi tries hard to stop them but Juzi's friends were getting so angry that they do not listen to Juzi and attack Yu Hao and Yu Hao first tries to escape from him and then breaks their weapon with his counter-attack. They then attack Yu Hao with more intensity and turn all their weapons towards Yu Hao and shoot him, but Yu Hao uses his ice explosion to knock down the girl and then goes near the boy and immediately kills him. But he uses his mental shock attack due to which the boy also becomes unconscious. Juzi tries to stop Yu Hao but now Yu Hao's aura has overpowered her. And he moves forward to attack Juzi also and he attacks Juzi by using world domination. At the right time he controls himself and stops just 2 centimeters away from Juzi. Shan Ziwen also comes and asks what is going on here. She starts complaining about Juzi's female friend Yu Hao that Yu Hao was bullying us but Juzi tells the truth to teacher Shan Ziwen. That these 2 friends of mine had a misunderstanding, due to which all this happened. Teacher Shan Ziwen also understands that it is not Yu Hao's fault in this, so he does not say anything to anyone. Yu Hao says that I can forgive everyone, but not Wang Shouji. Wang Shouji has insulted me, so I will not treat him, he can recover after taking rest for half a month. Teacher Shan Ziwen says we can't do this because it's not Yu Hao's fault. If we punished an exchange student unnecessarily, it would be bad for us. That's why I look for a way to deal with this. Dean asks teacher Shan Ziwen to remind you that Yu Hao is very talented, but the sad thing is that he is from Shrek Academy. Now the teacher has ordered these three to go to the forest for an experience. So that Yuhao stays away from the eyes of the royal family for a few days and protects Yuhao, Juzi and that girl. Now they will go to the forest. That girl is very angry that why are they sending Yuhao with us, he is so bad, and then the teacher is not scolding him, but Juzi is very happy with Yuhao because she knows that it is not Yuhao's fault. Now Yuhao comes to them and Juzi tells that they have to go to Jingyang Mountain. That all three of them now leave to go towards Jingyang Mountain. They fly there and above the clouds they are looking at the surrounding view. Juzi tells that Jingyang Mountain is in the north middle mountain of the Ryu world and it is full of vegetation and it is very rich in minerals. There is a lot of metal energy and there we can find special soul beasts. And then they get down there and start traveling on foot and supporting each other. They go deep into the forest. There are also walking trees present there which have evil nature, so they move ahead avoiding them. Juzi tells Yuhao, that teacher told us that you are level 40 and you now need a soul ring, so whenever you see a suitable spirit piece for you, let me and Keke help you kill that soul beast. Yuhao thanks them and says I can cook for both of you. They both get excited hearing that you know how to cook, to which Yuhao says yes and tells that I have been alone since childhood and when I came to Shrek Academy, I opened a selling grilled fish shop there to earn my living and then they get tired so they set up camp with the help of their soul guiding tool and Juzi goes to sleep. At night, Juzi opens her eyes due to bad dreams. She sees her mother and father in her dreams. He was a soldier in the Ryu Empire and one day he left her because of the war and never came back. He is crying. Eyes open and she goes out. Yuhao and Keke were cooking fish. Yuhao also gives fish to Jazi and Juzi starts crying while eating the fish. Keke asks the reason for her crying, is this fish not looking good? On this Juzi says that the fish is very tasty, and in fact, I have not eaten such tasty fish in 10 years, this is the same fish my father used to make and she then tells her story that her father was at war with the Xingluo Empire. He was martyred, my mother mourned him and since then I am an orphan, I am also like you. Yuhao starts seeing his own life in Juzi. Juzi tells that she has also endured a lot of hardships in her life without her mother and father. Juzi tells that she wants to be strong so that one day she can stop all these wars and maintain peace in the continent and then she has to go ahead. So they take out a soul guiding tool and this soul guiding tool looks like a capsule robot inside which they can go and by using it they can cross the high rocks. It can withstand the attacks of level 6 masters and it is very advanced. Although it is still in its development stage, Ryu Empire has been researching on it for the last 30 years but still they have not been able to make it completely good. Now they all sit in it and this robot starts moving forward with the soul guiding tool but as soon as they go a little distance, they are surrounded by many wolves and then the episode ends. Shunya